Chain of custody defense is you get pulled over, officer has probable cause, officer searches your car, officer finds marijuana. From there, you're usually going to see them take it and lay it on their dashboard. Not their dashboard, excuse me. It's going to be on their dash cam. It'll be on the hood of their car, and the dash cam will be looking at it. And from there, you'll see them come back with evidence bags, and they'll start writing who had what at what time on those bags. And then they'll take it down to the evidence locker. The evidence officer will sign that he received it or she received it at this time on this day, put it in the evidence locker. And every time somebody comes and takes it out, they have to sign for it. If it goes to the crime lab, somebody's going to come down there, somebody's going to sign it out, and they got to take it to the crime lab. Crime lab person's got to account for all the times that they had it, and it's going to be accounted for all the way back till it goes back to the evidence locker, and then it's going to be accounted for all the way up until trial. And if something happens with that chain of custody, then the state's got a real problem because we don't know what happened. Did it get swapped? Did somebody spill some of it? Did somebody add something to it? So there's a whole issue of what happened. And if the state cannot, you got to remember the state bears all burdens here. Defendants don't bear any burdens. They are innocent until they are proven guilty. And it's the state's job to prove them guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. And unless they can show that everything has been in the state's custody, and we can show where it went, when it went, and how we are where we are now, then they've got a real problem. You've got a real argument to get your case dismissed if they don't comply with that.